Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, we are doing BBS Soap Cairo Rose limited edition. This soap is a limited edition because they are not gonna be able to keep up the oils needed for this soap. So it's a limited edition. It's white rose, two types of white rose from Egypt. Of course, machine splash. For the brush, I'm gonna be using Grizzly Bay Elrond with a G5C 28mm knot. Dry loaded, looking a little bit iffy, so might have to go grab some more soap from the tub. And for the razor, I'm gonna be using the Aylsworth Drakkant TI with the plus blade. And for the blade, I'm gonna be using the Aylsworth Blade. I think this is the second use, I'm not sure really. So hope everybody's doing well. It's the second Monday of the week. Yesterday was a freaking nightmare. It just, traffic was insane going to Kissimmee. A load that normally takes me like 2 hours or a little over 2 hours took me 6 hours because of how bad the traffic was. Insane. Freaking insane. Because I don't know who decided in Orange Blossom Trail that, hey, let's just make it one road to go out to freaking I-4 and downtown Kissimmee or whatever, Haines City, whatever, or Lake, whatever. I don't remember which one is closest. But anyway, it's just one road, one lane road. And you have all the industrial parking in there. So the traffic gets stupid because everybody's getting out at the same time. Stupid. Some people are just natural born geniuses. Like the client, actually. Usually we go to that account and it's an easy drop and hook. Because I had to get into the parking lot of the company where the cars are of the employees, straight the truck and trailer, then back it up next to the trailer that I'm picking up on the far left, and then that's it. No problem, because I don't have to maneuver on the parking lot. I just need to be straight, and that's it. Back it up. No, they put 3 trailers, more cars, and they want me to do a drop and swap in the parking lot. It's just like, what the fuck? I'm telling you, stupid people everywhere. I don't know what they have for brains, really. Doesn't make sense at all. Because they are not the ones doing it. They know shit. They just order and complain. That's all they do. Now back to the scent. I need some peace and love after yesterday. So Cairo Rose is kind of perfect. It's a really, really neutral scent. I don't feel it feminine like others. It feels like classy, royalty or nobility scent. It feels really nice. I had the sample for a while, so I knew I wanted. Definitely a different rose than others. It's on the Kronos 2.1 base, so it's gonna take a lot of water and it's gonna perform incredible. I also got 2 more and they are great. 2 more bangers from BBS. Also, I had the maracas. So you see they're not flying? Yeah, now you know. Look at that. Looking good. Looking good. 5-minute mark. There's some more water. So today it's gonna be a light day. I told the manager, like, hey, I want fuel. Doesn't matter if I have to go to Newberry or Brooksville, whatever. Also, it gave a chance to the other driver to make some hours. Look at how creamy it already looks. Give me a second, I'm getting a call. So carry on. Okay, so boss calling me because the account that I just mentioned it complained that they made damage to your to the parking lot. It was a landing gear that was dragging. No biggie, but you know how Americans are. They like to do a big show out of nothing, looking for money. So I had to do the report for that. It happens a lot. So I remember one time they were trying to charge me for the company that I drive, or myself, whatever, for a gate that I didn't touch at all, and it was their fault that it was damaged, funny, but they wanted to blame it on me. It's like people are just, I don't know. But it's looking good. Looking good. Now, thanks to that phone call, the video cut out. Now I have to freaking... I have to do more editing than usual. No biggie. I'm just gonna touch the other two. Oh, let's see. It's already looking good. Also, if you notice, I managed to cut my hair like 2 days ago. So I don't look like a hobo. Also, regarding the last shave, actually it was better than I expected. Gave me a pretty close shave. Now today I hope for, also one reason I asked for fuel is one of the cars need tires. And I don't have much time available on working hours, so I was planning to see if I leave early or I finish early the day and go and fix up, get new tires for the van. Yeah, this scent is very relaxing, very enjoyable, very enjoyable. Very enjoyable scent. the Drakkant is a very, at least for me, the titanium is a very mild shaver. To me, it's definitely more mild than the Apex aluminum. And this one has a different angle from the other ones, or most razors. Huh. Yeah. I guess I had a blemish there. Yeah, I'm pretty much BBS. Let me double check with water. But I'm gonna go across my neck. Very smooth. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. Oh yeah, now we're talking clean. Very nice. Very nice shave. As I expected. I have something bothering me here. Oh, like a pimple or something. It's bothering me here. Anyway, no biggie. Wow. Let's go for the splash. Always shake it. It's all full of lather. Let me see, does it taste like rose? Doesn't taste like rose. Fortunately. Back to the splash. Alright. It's gonna be good. And the next to shave is gonna be great. Huh. Got a little bit of a burn. My God, but it feels so nice. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Very clean. Very refined, like classy. Like, oh, nobility. Or something like that. That's what it smells like. If you want to feel royal, like, you know, like a king or queen, yeah. That's the scent for you. A lot of nicks. I wonder if they were the same as the shave at shave. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching. As always. I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.